you doing?
I'm trying to make a list of who's been naughty or nice this year.
Well, that should be easy though, right?
You'd think, but no, that's a bit of a gray area this year.
Well, can't we just get boys toys and girls toys? That should be simple, right?
That also is a gray area this year.
Maybe we should do something that everybody likes.
Motorcycle stuff.
All right, hey guys, that QR code goes to an Amazon list. It's also going to be in the description down below so that you can click on it there. If you don't have your phone handy, just scan the QR code. But it goes to a list of products, and those products are really there to give you ideas, right? So it'll go to, hey, he has motorcycle gloves listed. Well, that's just an idea of now you can look at the different types of motorcycle gloves that are out there. So it's there just to help you think through this holiday season and what are you going to get the biker in your life?
And we just want to wish you and yours a very Merry Christmas.
Unless you're across the pond, in which case it's
Happy Christmas!